Welcome back to Savvy Sex in 60 Seconds. I'm Dr. Jenni, and this short sex therapy session is brought to you by Adam and Eve. March is Oral Sex Month, and 2 weeks ago we talked about how to pleasure a vulva. Last week we talked about how to pleasure a penis, and this week we talk about 69, the simultaneous pleasure of both person's genitals. Could be vulva, penis, 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 vulva, vulva. The idea is that we make mouth to genital contact while our partner makes mouth to genital contact. So you have to set up your bed or your floor with plenty of pillows and to physically kind of get lined up where your head is really comfortable in between the person's legs. If you like to receive and give pleasure at the same time, this can be a really erotic position for you. Some people find this too distracting because it's too much stimulation. They want to just lay back, surrender to the sensation and receive pleasure, and then give pleasure, or vice versa. You also don't have to take this position to the finish. You don't have to have a peak climatic experience or an orgasm in this position. It could simply be foreplay where you play with the genitals at the same time, have the juiciness of this, literally and metaphorically, and then you move to something different for your orgasm. So if it is too distracting to take it all the way to the finish, no stress on it. Play with it, have fun, explore, and we'll catch you next week.